Hello everyone, today we will skip about how to set password on the application of AliExpress. You will go to the application of AliExpress here and you will enter. Then we go down to click on account and do a click. When above you click in this line. Here in this page you will go to profile. In this list you will click in this window of account information. And then you will go to password, and here you will wait a moment until you find this page, and then you can set your password. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.